Hello, hunters. All right, guys. So, working on a little bit of Halloween today, and I got this stuff a long time ago. I know in one of my other videos, I said I was going to show you guys um, a lot of stuff that I've bought for this year's theme, for vampire theme, that I have not shown or vlogged. It's been super busy. Um, I think I showed my vampire lady. I know I just put it on Instagram, and I feel like I put it on a Facebook post, but can I turn this around? I cannot while I'm already videoing. Really? Come on, bro. I should be able to switch my video cam around. Is this thing on? Alright, so here's my first vampire lady. Nearly complete. She's not all the way done. I have a pool noodle that goes here, and there's some, small adjustments here and there that I'm going to do, but I got these dresses from China, pretty cheap. I got 2 of them. I just laced this the other day, but they have these cool hoods that go on there. And so there's Vampire Lady, right? And then I have a Dracula that will go here and be a little taller. Then I have a second Dracula lady that'll be on this side, trying to recreate a really cool scene. But what I wanted to show you guys is I bought kits from Spiderhill Propworks, and I have looked at them forever and ever, and I've just never bought them. But I got several kits, so I just cut all the PVC for Vampire Lady number 2. These are for the base, and then torso. And you got legs, you got arms, and it's super awesome to have these to where you can adjust them and tighten them down wherever you need them. Very cool. So this system here, I can show you, is so you can just basically adjust it. So if you want to have them really cool, you gotta get the extra. The kits do not come with the bottom feet adjusters, so those are additional. So always make sure, if you want to have a really cool pose, to get those additional feet on the bottom. But I will definitely say that these are way beefier than I had imagined, not seeing one up close before, and super easy to use. This will attach to the base. So those are the base. You've got screw holes in there. And then you basically attach the legs, and you adjust them however you want. And you could change them from year to year. Next year I may not do vampire, so I'll take those dresses off, put something else on them, dress them out differently, and I've got my bases already completed and done and ready every year. You could easily unscrew them off of these bases, pull them apart, because they come with screws that go in here in these slots. So you can do a screw in there, and it's cool because then you can still spin this to make even more adjustments. Like, you loosen the screw and you've got this much room to slide the PVC or rotate the PVC to even make fine adjustments, which is really super cool. Really good how they had the foresight to think of that. So I'm about to cut PVC to make the third kit that I have, and the third kit that I bought is the Watchman kit. So I actually got a Watchman kit, and this is a moving, like a your cemetery watchman. And so it comes with this really freaking cool center part that will be where his torso is, that will rotate him. It's got a really super heavy duty thick plastic lever system going on here, and it's a wiper motor, so it's super, super strong. Waterproof for outside, which is always a big deal with hunting. And this thing is just almost indestructible, it seems. So I'm excited to get the Watchman done. It's going to be Dracula is actually going to be the Watchman this year. That's going to be my Dracula. I'm going to use it for that. Here's my mask. Bela Lugosi. Going to have him. Not sure what he's going to have in his hand moving around. It's not going to be a lantern. Or it could be a lantern. Maybe a candle. Maybe a cross. Maybe a wooden stake. I don't know. But I'm going to go ahead and cut the PVC for the third kit, for this Watchman kit. On this beautiful Saturday morning. See if I can get some stuff done. So, just want to give you guys a cool update. Oh, so for her torso, I have this that I found at a garage sale. So I basically just put foil on it. And then tape, then cut it off. And so this is an empty shell. I did put foam in it. I used my 2-part foam that I used my skulls with and filled some of it in to make it a little more sturdy. But I need to make a second one of those for my other female because that torso there is a little bit heavy. And then you really can't attach arms to it with this kit. So, but that's something else I have to do. And then, have I showed you guys? I got 2 of those really big gargoyles this year. I got these off of Facebook. The guy was selling the pair, and I have always wanted these, and so now I have them. Super excited. All right, guys, there's your update for Steve's Haunted Yard for cemetery vampire theme. Get your hunt on.